Hello, 4-Hers. In this lesson, we're going to take an ordinary potato and turn it into a voltage source that is powerful enough to light an LED light bulb. This is a fun way to learn more about science. Here are a few things to think about before starting this activity. What kind of energy does a battery contain? Chemical, electrical, or mechanical? Also, what kind of energy does the battery create? Chemical, electrical, or mechanical? A battery is a device that stores chemical energy and it converts to electrical energy. The chemical reactions in a battery involve the flow of electrons from one material to another through an external circuit. These flow of electrons provides an electric current that can be used to do the work. Now that we've talked about what type of energy is in the potato, let's go ahead and talk about the supplies we need for today's activity. You will need 2 potatoes, 2 pieces of copper or copper wire, or you can use 2 pennies, 2 nails, 3 alligator clips, 1 LED bulb, and 1 multimeter. Let's get started with our potato battery activity. There is a video provided after these steps for you to get a visual of what it looks like. Step 1. Insert the ends of the copper penny and the wire most of the way into the potato. It's important to make sure that those 2 items are not touching each other. If they do touch each other, the battery will become shorted, which means you have to start over. The penny or the copper is our anode and the nail is our cathode. Step 2. Set your multimeter on a DC setting. Touch or attach the red alligator clip to the copper and the black alligator clip to the nail in the potato. Record your reading. You will need at least 1.5 volts to light up the LED light. Step 3. If you don't have enough voltage, create multiple potato batteries, which means adding more potatoes until the sum of your voltage is more than 1.5 volts. Step 4. Next, you will connect the potato batteries to each other using multiple red and black alligator clips. Once the potatoes are connected with those test leads, you should have 1 black end left and 1 red end left. Connect those ends to the LED light and the light should turn on. Now that you've done the experiment step by step, the next slide will show you a video so you can see visually what it looks like. Now that we've seen the video and done the experiment, does the potato power the LED bulb? It does. This creates a series circuit, which consists of a single pathway through which electricity can flow. So what is the chemistry behind the reaction? How does this work? Well, potatoes contain mild phosphoric acid and chloride ions. Sounds like a lot of big words, but these ions make the potato juice, which is an electrolyte, and it's a fluid capable of conducting and producing electricity. So think about this question. How can we get more voltage out of a potato? Let's look at the next slide for our answer. So can this experiment work with other vegetables or even other fruits? Absolutely. You can use a lemon, an orange, or even an apple. In summary, here's how the potato worked. This is the flow of electrical energy through a simple circuit as pictured here. Potatoes give the electrons a solution to help them move to the copper and to the zinc and complete that circuit. Also, some definitions to remember today. An electrolyte, it's a solution that conducts electricity. In this experiment, it's the juice from the potato. We also talked about an anode, which is the positive side of our battery, the cathode, which is the negative side of our battery, a conductor, which is an object that allows the transfer of electrons, and the current, which is the movement of electrons. We hope you enjoyed this lesson today about how to make a potato battery. For more science lessons or any resources you might need, please reach out to Rutherford County Extension in Murfreesboro.